Hello everyone, Smida here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to build this mobile menu in Bricks just using Bricks vanilla. No plugins, no add-ons. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It's got the framer vibe. So let's get to it. First we're going to add our section. Let's go to mobile landscape. Let's add a heading for a logo. And a nav, we're going to select nav nestable. It's just our section gutter. 2 rem left, 2 rem right. And container, adding bedding container. 2 rem, go to content, make it row, space between, and center. Okay, it's clean now. Let's go changing the logo name. So let's make it like something like Bricks Builder. Let's adjust the size, 3.5 rem. To nav, make it appear. Let's add our Z index to the logo so it's appear inside of the menu, and go to the content, make the cap 5 rem for the nav links, make something like background color, and go to, we don't need these. Let's make this one appear also, the index 1999, so it's appear inside the mobile menu. We'll go make the nav link inside the wrapper, and inside of it will be a divider. Add class to the nav links, nav, and divider will be, name it something like divider. Let's make the height 4, make it color gray, and let's duplicate this one 4 times, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change the nav link text, guessing surfaces. One will be projects. Actually, we don't need this one, so we add a button here. Selecting button, style button, change it to contact, add bedding, and make the width 100%. Go to, tell you what, we're going to adjust the size, font size later. So let's just make the background white. Add a border, 0.5 rem. Let's add to the knife and items wrapper, padding, and adjust the text, 3.5 rem. Make the font weight 600. Looks great. So right now we're going to make our animations. So we select the wrapper, of the links, nav links and divider, add the class overflow hidden, and go to the layouts, and overflow will be hidden. Let's add this class to the other wrappers. Overflow hidden. Overflow hidden. Let's select our nav class. Go to transform to make it disappear. So we select the translate Y. Make it 85. Forgot about adding it to the button. So we select the nav, disappears. So let's make our divider. We are not going to adjust the width from here. Go to the style, layout, width will be 0%. So far so good. So let's go to custom CSS, selecting the nav items wrapper, add roots. Let's make something like class divider full, and we're just going to add the width 100%. This is for the divider to appear. And another one for nav, let's name it nav fade up. Let's add transform, translate Y will be 0 pixels. 0 pixels. Okay. So right now we're going to add the toggle to the open mobile menu. So we go to interactions, add interaction. You just make this animation close. Go to interactions, trigger, be click, toggle attribute action, key class. We're going to add this class we made earlier, divider full, to our divider class. So divider. Let's see if it's going to work. Yep, it's working. Let's just add the transition to our divider. Go to CSS, transition. Transition will be 1 second. Yeah, it's working. Great. Let's make another one for the nav links. So we add another interaction. Trigger will be click, toggle, key class. The value will be class for the nav fade up, and we'll be targeting the nav for the nav links class. So let's see if it's going to work. Wait to make it load. Why it's not working? Let me just check. Nav fade up, transform, translate. Okay. Add transition here for the nav links. So check our interaction. Nav fade up. Actor will be let me just check this one. Yeah, the problem is we adding a root here. So let's add root here for the class. It should be working right now. So let's see. Yep, it's worked. So here it is, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. And I'm going to see you in the next one.